Chef, it's not ready yet. Understand?
Hi, these are cola braised short ribs with risotto, and they're yours.
Does this happen frequently? So, yes, I guess. Like the idea that you would make something and give a tasting version, because she clearly plated it up multiple times and she took one that they didn't taste and brought it out to a customer. I've seen this happen before. Like we would do it sometimes because we would have a bar that people would sit at. And if I was working on a dish or one of my line cooks came up with something, or, we were just slow on a night and someone was just screwing around and put something in the fryer and battered it in a fun way, we would plate it up and send it to people at the bar. Totally. And so it's not to say that this doesn't happen. It's just, spoiler alert here, like this is a food critic that she's serving this to. And so that piece is a little bit interesting because especially someone like Carmen, and Carmen's running around and doing a bunch of other things, but if he is the person who he is in this show, Carmen might have seen him, or Sydney might know who he is. Because, in some of these big cities, those high-profile food critics, they tend to have known faces. People know who they are. This is just interesting that this happened the way that it happened.